Imagine waking up on the first of the month and seeing rent payments deposited into your account, money flowing in whether you worked that day or not. That's the dream of passive income through real estate. But here's the truth. Most people think you need millions of dollars, years of experience, or risky deals to get started. In reality, there are beginner-friendly strategies that anyone can use to begin building passive income, even if you're starting small. In this video, I'm going to break down how real estate passive income really works, the most effective strategies for beginners, and real-life examples you can learn from. By the end, you'll see how you can start building wealth through real estate step by step without being a full-time landlord or real estate expert. What does passive income in real estate really mean? Real estate passive income doesn't mean zero work. It means front-loading the effort so that the income continues to flow with minimal ongoing effort. In real estate, that can mean buying property and renting it out, investing through real estate funds, or leveraging modern platforms that make it easier for beginners. As an example, Sarah, a teacher, saved $10,000 and invested in a real estate crowdfunding platform. Instead of dealing with tenants, she earns a share of rental profits each quarter while focusing on her teaching job full-time. So, what are the best beginner strategies to start? Beginner strategy number 1, house hacking. House hacking is when you live in one part of a property and rent out the other. As an example, buy a duplex, live in one side, rent out the other, or rent out spare rooms in your home. The rental income covers some or all of your mortgage. Example: Mike bought a small duplex. His tenant's rent covered 70% of his mortgage payment. That meant he lived almost rent-free while his property increased in value over time. Beginner strategy number 2, rental properties done smart. Owning a rental property is the classic route, but it doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small, a single-family home or a condo in a good neighborhood. Hire a property manager for 10% fee to make it more hands-off. You should focus on cash flow positive deals where rent is greater than mortgage plus expenses. Example: Lisa bought a $150,000 condo with 20% down payment. After mortgage, insurance, and property management, she cleared about $250 a month net. It is not life-changing yet, but after 5 years, rents grew, her equity increased, and her net cash flow doubled. Beginner strategy number 3, real estate investment trusts or REITs. Don't want to deal with tenants at all? REITs are a beginner's best friend. A REIT is like an ETF for real estate. You buy shares in a company that owns rental properties, malls, apartments, or even storage facilities. In return, you earn dividends. Easy to buy through a brokerage account. It is highly liquid, so you can sell anytime, unlike a house. Additionally, many REITs pay dividends quarterly. Example: John invested $500 into a REIT that owns healthcare facilities. Each quarter, he gets dividend payments, just like stock investors get dividends. Beginner strategy number 4, real estate crowdfunding. Thanks to new platforms, you don't need 6 figures to invest in property. Sites like Fundrise or Realty Mogul let you invest with as little as $500 to $1,000. Your money gets pooled with others. Professionals manage the properties. You earn a share of rental income or appreciation. This is ideal for beginners who want exposure to real estate without owning a property outright. Beginner strategy number 5, short-term rentals like Airbnb or VRBO. Short-term rentals can generate more income than long-term leases, but they require more management. The trick is to systemize. Use automation tools for bookings, hire cleaning services for turnovers. Pick locations with steady tourism or business travel. Example: Emma rented out her basement suite on Airbnb. After a one-time setup cost, she nets $800 extra each month. Money she saves toward a down payment on her first rental property. What is the math that makes real estate investment work? Real estate builds wealth in 3 ways. Number 1, cash flow, rent income minus expenses. 2, appreciation, property value grows over time. 3, loan paydown, tenants essentially pay your mortgage. So combine all three, and even a small property can add six figures to your net worth over a decade. As an example, a $200,000 rental that grows 3% a year in value, nets $200 a month cash flow, and has the mortgage paid down by tenants could create $100,000 plus in wealth in 10 years. What are the common mistakes to avoid? Mistake number 1, buying in bad locations just because it's cheap. Mistake number 2, underestimating maintenance and vacancy costs. Mistake number 3, trying to do everything yourself without systems. Mistake number 4, forgetting that cash flow matters more than appreciation in the beginning. Which strategy is right for you? Strategy number 1, if you're young and flexible, try house hacking. Strategy number 2, if you want hands-off, look into REITs or crowdfunding. Strategy number 3, if you like control and building equity, go with traditional rentals. Strategy number 4, if you have extra space or live in a tourist area, start with Airbnb. Start where you are. You don't need to master every strategy at once. Real estate has created more millionaires than almost any other asset class. And the good news is, you don't have to be rich to get started. By choosing the right beginner strategy, setting up systems, and being consistent, you can create passive income that grows year after year. Okay, now you can download my free passive income starter guide linked below. Moreover, check out the AI Business Builder Challenge if you want to add an extra income stream while building your real estate portfolio. And don't forget to subscribe to Money Gainers Hub for more simple, smart guides on money, investing, and financial freedom. Remember, the best time to invest was yesterday. The next best time is today. So, start your journey now.